For the nerves.
Mm-hmm.
The soursop is for the nerves. Not so much the leaf, but like the root, the limb part and the rooty part. The root of it. But I mean, ordinarily, you can take the soursop leaf and make tea.
You have to dry it.
In the way you want it, you know.
Green too?
Mm-hmm. But the best way is to break it and put it on like it quail. Like this is sweet basil. That is sweet basil.
Sweet basil.
Mm-hmm. That is for gas, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man, that is very much for gas. Like if you know that, you know, sometimes the gas take your stomach,
Mm-hmm.
you just boil a little piece of it. And for the headache. This one is the lonely book.
Oh, this is the noon them talk about.
It's
Okay.
dry. The tree just around there, may have the tree.
Mm-hmm.
It's dry. It is
We can go outside and look on it soon.
It is in between the liner and the next neighbor.
Noonie. And what is good for?
Alright, now. That's good for a lot of things. High,
Mm-hmm.
pain in the joints,
Mm-hmm.
and it clean you and it build you.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you prepare it?
Like you can use it alone, and you can use it with something else. But if you have an eye problem, or as I said before, pain in the joint and then place you just need a cleaning out and a build up. You just boil a few of the leaves with a little piece of the leg for a couple mornings, like 5 or 7 mornings.
And drink it.
And drink it. You can get a little piece and wash the eye, you know. But it's necessary if you use a green leaf.
Mm-hmm.
You just wash it off properly. That is a green leaf.
Mm-hmm.
You just wash a little piece of it. And you put it in some warm water. You don't make it boil.
Mm-hmm.
That is for the eye. You just take it and wash the eye.
Okay. So what's your favorite bush?
My favorite bush?
Mm-hmm.
My favorite bush is soursop, believe you know.
Really?
Yeah, man. That's my favorite bush. My personal favorite bush. This is a different one. This is the one that they call Medina.
So that was Noonie and the Medina now.
Yes.
We drink some for tea the other day.
This is the Medina.
Everybody will talk about this one.
Yes, this is the Medina.
Okay.
This keep you in tune.